came in to do some homework, and I was in the little study hall where it was all nice and quiet. And all of a sudden, these noise erupted, and it was the fire alarms going off, yelling at us to get out of the building. I was kind of upset, actually, because I was doing homework, and I was just figuring it out, too. So I was kind of upset it disrupted me.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairway and exit the building. Do not use the elevator.
We had a chem lab have an issue, and now we're trying to figure out what's in the labs to figure out what's going on. Some of us left our stuff in the building. We can't get back in to get it. No, I think we're calling it a night. There's nothing going on now.
Okay,